Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to this vocabulary session. This session will be about kitchen staff. To begin with, we're going to talk about the executive chef. Before we get there, let me tell you that brigade de cuisine or staffing is the term used to describe the hierarchy of the apprentice system in a professional kitchen. This concept was created by Chef Auguste Escoffier. The hierarchy of the kitchen depends on the type of star and category of the hotel. So, in the first place, we have the executive chef. This one sits at the top of the kitchen, and its role is primary managerial. He tends to manage the kitchen at multiple outlets and are not usually directly responsible for cooking. He is responsible for making policy in the kitchen, and he directly reports to the general manager. Then we have the chef de cuisine, or the head chef. He is in charge of the menu planning and the menu engineering. He also, or she, supervises and manages staff, control costs, make purchases, and liaise with the restaurant manager and suppliers to create new menus. Sous chef. The sous chef is the second chef after the executive chef. He directly assists the executive chef. He is responsible for allocating of duties and responsibilities of his team. In overall, he is in charge of the kitchen in absence of the executive chef. Each section of a big restaurant has its own sous chef. He is responsible for prompt and efficient services. He prepares dusty roasters on weekly basis. He takes briefing of the staff on daily or weekly basis or on any special event when organized. Later, we have the chef de partie, or also known as the station chef. This role is vital of the brigade system because it is split into many roles. There is more than one chef de partie, and each one is responsible for a different section of the kitchen. In the following slides, I will let you know how we can categorize the chef de partie. We have, for example, the sauté chef or the saucier chef, meaning he's the one in charge of sauteing foods and creating sauces and gravies that accompany other dishes. We have the boucher or the butcher chef. They are the ones who prepare the meat and poultry before they are delivered to their respective stations. We have the poissonnier or the fish chef, and they prepare fish and seafood. In smaller kitchen, the butcher often takes off the role of the poissonnier. We have the rostisseur or roast chef. They are the responsible for roast meat and appropriate sauces. We have the friteur or the fried chef. Well, as the name says, he specializes in fried food. We also have the entremetier, the vegetable chef. They prepare vegetables, soups, tarts, and eggs. In larger kitchens, this role may split into two: potager, who is in charge of making soups, and légumière, who is in charge of preparing any vegetables. Then we have the Grillardin, or the grill chef. They are the kings or queens of all things grills, And then we have the chef de tournant, or the roundsman. This person does not really have a specific job, but he fills in when they need him. Then we have the garde-manger, or the pantry chef, and this person is the one in charge of preparing cold dishes, for example, salads. Then we have the pâtissier, or the pastry chef. This is the master of all things pastry, baked goods, and desserts. Then we have the commis chef, or also known as the junior chef. They work with station chefs, they learn about the kitchen environment, they are responsible for preparing different sauces, garnishes, and side dishes. They help to cut the meat, the pork, the beef. They assist preparing the salads, their dressings. They are responsible for mise en place, for storing items, and they are also responsible for their station to be clean and sanitized. Lastly, we have the scuellerie, or the dishwasher. Well, this person is responsible for washing anything that was used in the food preparation and cooking process. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please send me an email to lilian.molina@upaeb.mx. See you soon.